Hello everyone, this is Cindy with Moonfire Studios. I just wanted to show you what I got from Donkey Journals Paper Love on Instagram. Those of you that follow me know that she has pop-up sales and all of her links are down below. So let's see what we got this time. She always wraps everything wonderfully so it's all waterproof and I don't have to worry. And look at this beautiful card. Isn't that a cute postcard? And it's textured like linen. So cool. Got a little lottery ticket. Isn't that cute? Pennsylvania lottery. How fun is that? Oh, some cute little tickets. How cool are these? These are on like a really nice gosh, I don't know how to explain it. This one's kind of shimmery. I don't know if you can tell that. Let's see if... I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's really, really pretty. But they're on like, not quite a chipboard, but like super heavy cardstock. But it's almost like fibrous, like it's all cotton type. But those are really pretty. Those are going to go in my Japanese journal once I get going on that again. Here's some really delicate papers. And I like that she puts them inside the envelopes so they're not just loose to get accidentally crumpled or anything. Look at that. Super thin. I can't remember if it's called onion paper or it's like a very light trace paper, but it's super cool. Look at the writing on this one. How cool is that? And they each have a page number. Oh, look at this. Super cool. Oh, look at that pretty writing. I'm using a new camera today, guys, so I hope everything shows up well. You'll have to let me know how you can see it, if I need to do something different with my lighting or the position of the camera or something like that. Also, if you can hear me well. This one I can put an external mic, and it has a seat for an extra lamp on it, like a flash lamp type thing. So if I need to use that, guys, let me know how well you can see and hear me, pretty please. And let's be super delicate getting this back in the envelope. Ledger. This one is dated, the first page, 1859. Look at the cool writing, you guys. I need to practice my writing. just looks so pretty. And look how nice the paper is from so long ago. And she has all kinds of cool things like this on her Instagram sales. So be sure to check her out, and she's not very expensive. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to get these cool things. So look how cool that is. Oh, there's a little haha Central Ohio Railroad, which is really super funny because she's from Finland, if I'm correct. Norway? I forgot. Yeah, Norway. I get some things from different places all over there. But, so, I get things from Ohio, from Norway, and I'm in Ohio. That's really, really funny to me. But they are so cool. And there's even some blank pages in it. Look how neat. Oh, and look at these giant ledger pages. They're big squares. These are nearly 14 by 15 inches in centimeters. Let's see, 30, about 36 by 39.5 centimeters. Those are really big. And I do tell her that I don't mind if my stuff gets folded or folded over. You can tell her that you do not want it creased, and she will roll it up for you. I do it this way because sometimes I tend to get a bunch, and if it's rolled, it takes up more space in the box. These are so cool. How neat are those? And then the Lorain County Farm Bureau. I don't know where that is, but I think I know where Lorain County is. Oops. These are from 1940. This one's 1958, 1967. Farm pages. Receipts. New York Central System. This is cool. Relative to Toledo, Ohio. Definitely know where Toledo is. New metal firm begins operations. Mr. Kripke. Neat. Oh, cool. Like a neat blueprint. How cool is that? Look at all the neat pages. Ooh, look at this one. That's cool. Super thin typing paper. War Assets Corporation, Washington, February 28, 1946. Neat. Well, this is a cool page. Look at the cool type. Neat little handwritten note. Oh, what a cool stamp. Oh, that's neat. Super cool. Well, these were my goodies this time around from Donkey Journal _ Paper Love. And I will see you guys next time.